gals, I'm excited to bring you High Octane by Raquel Welch. Raquel Welch Wigs introduced us to High Octane in fall 2020, and I just love this style. This is a long layered style with these popular beachy waves. Now this style features a temple-to-temple sheer lace front that's 100% hand-tied, as well as a full monofilament top that is also 100% hand-tied. It's made of true-to-life, heat-friendly fiber, so you can add curls, you can straighten the style, whatever your heart desires. Since making its debut in 2020, High Octane has often been on back order. That's how popular this style is. Well, let's take a closer look and uncover why this is such a bestseller. High Octane's wig cap consists of a temple-to-temple, virtually invisible lace front that is 1.5 inches deep. Each fiber is hand knotted. The full monofilament top is also hand knotted. On either side of the wig cap are velour adjustable ear tabs. This is the Raquel Welch Memory Cap 3. It is a silicone lined cap that helps prevent wig slipping and gives you added security. The sides and the back are open wefted to allow air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the extended velour nape are Velcro adjustable straps, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Here is High Octane. Right out of the box, I just gave this style a shake and did some finger combing. It was important for me that you see what this style looks like out of the box, uncombed, because you can really appreciate how beautiful a beach wave pattern this style has. Now later in the video, we will comb her out and you'll get to see all of the volume that you get with this style. Now the cap size of High Octane is average. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. And this cap fits me perfectly right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. In fact, I have the Velcro straps at their loosest setting. Now this is a Memory Cap 3, one of my favorite Raquel Welch Wigs caps. The reason it's my favorite is because it has silicone lining in part of the cap construction. So it eliminates the wig slipping or sliding, which is fantastic. So you have that added security. I also like this cap because it has some stretch. You know, when you put this cap on, if you wear it for at least 30 minutes, it will conform to the shape of your head. So it's almost like a custom-like fit. And because there is some stretch, this cap will fit a head that's slightly smaller than 22 inches and slightly larger than 22 inches. So you want to take advantage of that and give this style a try. The fiber is true-to-life, heat-friendly fiber. It's one of my favorite heat-defiant fibers on the market because it feels silky smooth. There's no shine, and it mimics European human hair. I just love it. And you can heat style this fiber up to 350 degrees. Let's talk about the lace front. Raquel Welch Wigs, in my opinion, has some of the best lace fronts in the industry. Look at that. It is meticulous, 100% hand-tied and sheer, as is the monofilament top. It is 100% hand-tied and gives the appearance of a natural part. It looks as if the fibers are growing right out of your scalp. I have High Octane parted in the center. Let's part this wig to the right so that you can see how easy it is to part this wig. The fibers are rather easy to work with. Here it is parted to the right. Another beautiful look. Now let's part it to the left. Now when you're parting the wig, if you find that the fibers do not lay down as you need them to create the part, because this is a heat-friendly fiber, you can certainly use heat styling tools to set the part. You can also use a steamy washcloth. Set your part, press the washcloth on top, hold for a minute or two, and voila, the part will be set. Here is the style, parted to the left. Just another beautiful look. Let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I really like the natural movement of High Octane. The layering is just beautiful. Right side. High Octane's measurements are 10.5 inches here at the front. The sides are 13 inches long. The crown is 12 inches long. The back is 13 inches long, and the nape is 11.5 inches long. The weight is 5.36 ounces, which tells you all of the density that you get with this style. Let's talk about this fantastic color. This is RL1425SS, Shaded Honey Ginger. This is a rooted color. It's a dark golden blonde blended with amber and strawberry blonde that you can see. And it has a medium brown root. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. Right out of the box, the wave pattern is very defined. Now you can loosen that using a wide tooth comb and really build up the volume that this style has to offer. Now there's not a lot of permatease, but because you have all of this density, and you can certainly get your fingers in here and tease it up even more, you can really create a lot of voluminous, beautiful styles. You do have a variety of styling options with High Octane. This style looks really pretty, tucked behind the ear. Now you can also put this style in a quick updo. There's plenty of density, so if you wanted to make a more intricate updo, maybe add some braids, you certainly can. I'm just going to use a claw clip, give the length a twist, and secure it up. This style also looks very pretty in a low ponytail. Now, because you have this beautiful lace front, which looks like a natural hairline, you can also choose to wear this style off the face. I like to use a headband. So you can just slip it on. Oh gosh, it looks really, really pretty. And look at that natural looking hairline. Now, if you're interested in purchasing High Octane, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry High Octane in all of the beautiful Raquel Welch colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to their website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. Now, if you wear High Octane, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, and you'll receive an alert every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, how-to video, a wig giveaway, and much, much more. You don't want to miss out. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.